In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create affiliate links on Clickbank. It is actually super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Clickbank account or sign up if you don't already have one. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu up here and click Affiliate Marketplace. Then this new page will be popping up called CP Marketplace, and then you can find all of the affiliate links that you want to promote. When you have found one that you want to promote, then it should be looking something like this. Down here, you can see what type of program it is, and you can go over to the affiliate page over here, and you can also contact seller if you want to do that. But to promote it, you need to go up to this blue icon right under the average conversion and click promote. Then from here, you need to create an affiliate nickname. Then you need to find a tracking ID. That is optional, but it's always too good to have. Down here is the landing page, where you can see down here you have a preview. I can quickly click on this. And as you can see now that this one is closed, but you can write up your email. Then from here you have the link types, and there are two types you can choose from, either the hub link or the direct offer tracking link. Then from here you need to just click create hub link. And as you can see, now you need to apply for approval. There's two ways. If it went automatically through, there will be a section down here in the bottom where you will get your own personal affiliate link, where you can copy it, link it towards your blog, YouTube, Instagram, whatever really, and then you can copy it from there, paste it into your SoMe's. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!